Hello everyone, welcome to Educators Plus, and in today's short video we will be discussing about spoken tutorial. So now what is spoken tutorial? So basically it is a multi-award winning educational content portal. Now here you can learn various free and open source software all by yourself, and their self-paced multilingual courses ensure that anybody with a computer and a desire for learning can learn from any place at any time and in a language of their own choice. Now, apart from that, the Spoken Tutorial project is the initiative of the Talk to a Teacher activity of the National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology that was launched by the Ministry of Human Resource and Development, Government of India. Further, Spoken Tutorial Forum is basically a friendly online discussion forum, and you can just join existing discussions or start new topics and get lots of replies from the Spoken Tutorial community. And registration to forum is completely free and takes only 1 minute. Apart from that, the forum is very easy to use even for computer newbies, and it's very easy to format forum post with fonts, colors and many other options. So you can attach your files to your post directly from your computer. So yes, this was all relevant information regarding spoken tutorial. So I hope you find this video helpful. Then please do like, share and comment, and stay tuned for the more upcoming videos. Thank you.